We've got trouble on the road. We've got a breakdown. What do you need? Do you need any tools? I got small vice grips with me. Did it just come unscrewed?
Yeah. I don't know if it's fits on there. Totally. Yeah, I don't need anything. You can keep going. I don't want to slow you down.
Yeah?
Yeah. Bad luck.
Yeah. But at least use a second set of hands here.
All right. Thank you.
So this thing, I think what you need to do is back this all the way out.
All right.
Like this.
Just start it out.
Back that out. And this will go in here. And then that's going to want to line. Now the only thing is that we got to keep that nut from trying to tighten.
Yeah.
And do you have a...
I don't have a wrench for that one.
Oh yeah. And you know what? I usually carry one.
But yeah.
And this year I didn't.
It's fine. We'll figure it out. We'll just tighten it more than I have them really loose.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, wicked loose.
Yeah. That's how I skate.
Oh yeah. Okay.
So
there you go.
I can
so
skate with it tightened in.
Yeah.
That'll just be.
Oh, yeah. Just watch out though.
It'll be more fun.
All right.
I'll just tighten it off and put the other ones. Be good. Thank you,
All right.
sir.
Very good.
Very much appreciated.
All right.
That was
And what is it? PT? Party time?
dance party.
Dance party. DP.
DP, yep.
All right. We're off. The successful repair.